we have a workshop coming up that is really an important one, because as tough as divorce can be, just going through it, regardless of everything around you, just personally, going through that is so tough that when there's other things involved, obviously children, family, friends, and all that, it gets kind of crazy. But you still, as you're going through it, you need to have the right answers as far as properties that you own with real estate, how that affects you, how you should hold title, how do you separate it, how do you pull money out, how do you qualify for it. So on July 25th from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, we're going to be doing a session. I have an expert coming in that will dive into a lot of those questions that you may be asking yourself right now if you're going through it. But if not, maybe someone's come to mind that you think should be there, and we'll take good care of them, point them in the right direction. So check out in the caption below the Eventbrite or message me direct, and we'll get you dialed in. July 25th, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock.